I need a snack. Hey Andrew, can you make me a snack?
I gotcha. My name's Andrew. Welcome to Knack Snacks. Thanksgiving was great, but how many of you got potato or gravy leftovers? I'm going to show you how to bring something together. It's going to blow your mind. Let's get it. What I have here is some baby yellow Dutch potatoes, some really yummy turkey gravy, and some cheese curds. I also have a skillet with a 1/4 inch of peanut oil and a 1/4 of a stick of salted butter. I'm going to smash all of these potatoes like so. My oil is coming up to temperature with a little bit of butter in it. Ultimately, these potatoes are going to get super crunchy and crispy while soft and moist on the inside. We're going to plate them, put the curds on top, and then pour steaming hot gravy to melt all the curds into the potatoes and finish with a dash of salt, and that's all she wrote. Knack Snacks. Just using the bottom of a bowl. You can use a mason jar. I like the bowl because it's a little flatter. Let's start putting our potatoes into our hot oil and just let that crispy action goodness start to work its magic. Just finishing off these last few potatoes, ones that are coming out. I'm resting on a paper towel just to get all that excess oil that we just don't need in this such healthy meal on the plate. Now that these are done, let's bring it all together and assemble it. So we have these potatoes super crunchy. We're just going to start loading these in. Now before I go any higher, I'm going to layer it like a lasagna. We're going to put some of these curds in. Some people like just putting the curds all at the top. We're going to spread ours a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put a few more. I'm going to put another layer of curds on. Okay, so that's great. I think let's put another couple in for good measure. So now we're going to take our piping hot or boiling hot gravy, turkey gravy, we get to relive the next day. Look, we're going to pour it over that cheese. It's going to start to melt the cheese. Oh, heck yeah. We want a pretty healthy portion of that. There we go. Right. Taking my clean hand that I did not lick and giving it a nice douse of Malden's flaky sea salt. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh pinched cut rosemary all over the top. And folks, we're going to leave that just to sit for a minute, let that start to melt the cheese, and in a second we're going to start to taste it. Let's get it. Hey people, this is so simple. Leftovers turned into glory. Let's go have a taste. So let's get some of that curd, let's get some of the potato, some of that epic gravy. Let's burn our mouths. Hey Elijah! Fork, Elijah, camera people, Thanksgiving poutine. Let's get it. Get some of the curd, get some of the gravy, get a little tatey. Cheers. That's freaking good, isn't it? Isn't that amazing, dude?
Wow.
It's definite fat kid food, but it'll make you very, very happy, fat kid. Dude, it's honestly, I actually think that this Thanksgiving leftover might be better than the actual original dish. That's a fact. From my lips to your ears.
What's in this again? Potato, gravy,
and curd.
Cheese curd?
Like a cheese curd.
I'm lactose intolerant.
You'll probably be fine.
Okay.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this new Knack Snack series. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends about us. And burn your mouths like Elijah. Let's go. See you next week.